How to create Google Veo 3 cartoon videos. Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you looking to create amazing cartoon videos like this or anime cartoon videos like this? Then you're in the right place because today we're gonna be using Veo 3 to create amazing cartoons. So let's get started. For this, all you need is a Google account, so simply head on over to deepmind.google and then click on Try and Flow. Once you do that, you're going to click on Create with Flow over here and you're going to sign up using your Google account. Once you have signed up using your Google account, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Now, keep in mind that you do have to put in some type of payment information because the first month you do get for free, but after that, it is going to be around $20 for the AI Pro plan. Now, once you've created your account, you can get started with creating your cartoons. Starting off, you can even go into Flow TV before you get started with creating your own cartoons because this gives you the ability to explore some of the other ideas that are going around. You can click on all channels over here to see different channels, and you can explore certain channels that might be related to or interesting for you. So you can take a look at whatever is going to be your personal preference. Let's say I would want to look at the degenerate animation style, and within this channel I will see multiple different videos that is those are following this particular type of style. Now we're gonna head on over back into our dashboard and then click on New Project to get started with our brand new cartoon project. To get started, you have two options on the bottom. You can either go with text to video or frames to video. I prefer to go with text to video for today. Then on the right side, you will find your settings and you want to click on the Veo 3 model. You can also use Veo 2, but Veo 3 actually creates audio. So this is one of the primary differences which you're going to notice between the two is that you do not have audio when you are using Veo 2. So if you do want to create cartoons and you do want audio, you definitely would have to be using the Veo 3. Now, after that, the first thing you want to do is define the subject. So let's say our main character is a fairy. She is wearing pink fantasy looking dress with a pink and red wand. She has wings and long hair. She's walking in front of a castle, let's say. Castle. And I do want to define what type of cartoon animation I want because there are several types of cartoon animation styles. So I want this to be in a cartoon winks animation style. So once I have defined all of this, I do think everything is now defined. We have our character, the way our character looks, the environment of the character, and if the character is interacting with the environment, you can add that as well. But I don't want that. I want to create a very basic scene first. So I am going to let this be created and I'll show you guys what type of video this will create for us or what type of cartoon this will create. Again, one thing to note is that if you want any speech, so if you want any speech within the cartoon, you either have to define the dialogue or they will create some type of audio for you. Sometimes it may not be created, sometimes it may be created, but if you do want a certain dialogue to be said, you need to define that within your prompt. And personally, I do like to add this in further scenes when I'm building longer videos, but my initial video, I'm just going to leave it as a basic video and see if it creates any suitable audio alongside it. It has created for us and I will take a look. And this is what the video looks like. This is actually very interesting. I am going to take a look if it has any audio. It has created some very suitable audio. Personally, I really love this type of animation style and this type of audio. It reminds me of my own childhood. So I really like this. Now, the next thing you can do when you're building cartoons is that you can click on Add to Scene on the top. And once you click on Add to Scene, you will see your scene. Now, you can click on this plus icon and you can jump to a brand new scene from here, or what you can do, which I really love to do, is click on extend and you are able to extend what happens next. So the scene or the fairy walks into her room. Other fairies are there. They start talking about their next potion making class. And we are going to change the model, which was selected by default, to Veo 3. And now I have put in my prompt and now it is extending upon this scene. Now I do recognize the fact that I've put in a very different prompt. The scene is not very continuative, but if you have a very continuative scene that you're trying to build, you can build it in different segments. So you have the scene builder and you can extend upon the scene. So maybe, your main character walks in a coffee shop and then they sit down at the coffee shop. You can do this in the form of extending the same scene rather than having to add multiple different cuts and making it look a bit less professional. So now let's take a look at how it has extended upon the scene. So this was our original scene, and from here it continues on. Now wow, this is amazing. Honestly, if you told me that this is from a actual cartoon, I would totally believe you. Now I'll show you guys what it looks like. And this is so amazing. So moving forward, what I can do from here is, again, I can just click on the plus icon and then click on extend to further extend my scene. I personally am going to leave it at this point right now, but you can further extend your cartoon scenes however you prefer to create them. What I personally recommend is actually going and taking a look at any of your favorite cartoons to see how the scenes go within them, and then you can define that within your prompt very easily and extend and add cuts according to the way that pre-existing cartoons have been doing it. And this is how you can use Veo 3 for cartoon creation. The best part about using Veo 3 and Google's AI is that it only starts at $19.99 for AI Pro and $249 for AI Ultra. You can get the first month completely for free on AI Pro, which gives you 1,000 monthly AI credits, whereas AI Ultra gives you 12,500 monthly AI credits across Flow and Whisk. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.